Are your maintenance expenses growing faster than you can handle? This is Sam, a hardworking property manager. Sam found himself with more problems than funds. His newest issue? Leaky, worn-out plumbing. Complete pipe replacement would drain his capital reserve savings, not leaving enough for his other projects. That's when Sam found Leak Shield, a cost-effective solution to keep his existing pipes in good condition. No more giant repair bills, instead a manageable cost that keeps his building in great shape. The board was thrilled. Leak Shield saved them money and effort. Sam's research really paid off. Nice work. Now Sam can do what he does best, solve problems. Hopefully the next one will be just as easy. To learn more about how Leak Shield can lower your expenses, find us on Google and social media.